Hey, it's Crystal with the Traveling Addict. Today's throwback video is of Rocky Face Mountain, and it's in Hiddenite, North Carolina. Now, Rocky Face Mountain used to be a quarry back in 1922 to 1940, and it was turned into a park around May 25th, 2012. On this video, I did all the trails in the park except for the vertical mile-high trail. I knew that would wear me out and I wouldn't be able to do the rest of them. So let's see, I did Prison Camp Trail, Buzzard Trail, Grindstone Trail, and Hollow Rock Trail. Enjoy the video and go and visit.